Hi guys, here's how you can open blocked website using this simple app. Now in Nepal, this site is currently blocked, maybe because of its name. If I try to refresh it, this site does not open at all. Now to open this kind of site, we will be using a very small app. For that, let me open Photos. So this is the QR code. You can simply scan this QR code if you want to download it. It will redirect to Android or iOS accordingly. And this is the app. Very simple and easy to use and lightweight. You can see the file size is only 622 KB, so it is very small. Let me quickly install it. By the way, this app is available for both Android and iOS. The app has been installed. Agree the terms. And here are a couple of DNS you can use. Let's try with AdGuard for now. You can use anything you want. Tap on Connect. Now we have to enable DNS for iOS users. So go to Settings, General, VPN Device Management, DNS, and choose DNS Changer. Now this is done. It's a one-time process. If you open the app, it's connected. Now let's see if this site works or not. I'll refresh it again. And you can see the site works perfectly fine. This app is available for both Android and iOS. For Android, you don't have to do any configurations because it will use a VPN. But for iOS, you can see there's not even a VPN permission at all, as you can see. And after using, you can simply stop it. And you also have the option to use the custom DNS, Google, Cloudflare, etc. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.